Oh, hello, dear.
Really cool if you could have gotten the phones.
Yeah, but I just am making a video right now. It wasn't even a short, I was just recording. I'm still recording. Watching you do this floor.
I whistle when you work.
I mean, if you
Maybe
really...
you should whistle, but they don't whistle very good.
I mean, if that's what you choose to do, but yeah. Sealing the floor so we can level the floor. Drink it. Imagine dropping your phone in there.
Imagine you dropping your phone in there.
But trust me, I'm very careful about that. I hold my phone like over drains and stuff. Like, if you drop it, it's gone. Oh, there you go, spilling. That's not the part of the floor that you needed to seal.
It's sealed now.
Wow, the focus just had a huge difficulty trying to focus on that. It was like, I don't know which thing I need to focus on.